Hi guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today is on a Tuesday. Okay, I've been postponing starting this new vlog for ages. Yeah, and this is me doing it today. Today is on a Tuesday morning. I'm headed to my sister's place. I'm going to shoot a video there. I was listening to Joshua Selman's video today morning and I just noticed I have the spirit of laziness and procrastination, and I'm trying to kill that by doing what I said I'll do. And thus I'm going to shoot this video. That video is supposed to go up tomorrow, so I'm going to shoot it and then I'll edit it today and then I post tomorrow, because I normally post on Wednesdays. Yeah, I normally upload a new video every Wednesday. I just wanted to share a quote I read last week that has been keeping me motivated throughout the week. It was saying, every time I want to skip a part of my routine, I think about the woman I'd like to be. She's disciplined and consistent. And anytime from now, I can be that. Yeah, so that is the quote. Yeah, you can pick it up for yourself because it's really motivating. Like, to do what you said you want to do. Like, don't keep postponing your stuff. Like, they have been postponing about shooting this week's video until it's one day to my posting day, and that's when I'm going to shoot my video. Anyway, Nahema sijimbona. I'm just tired, guys. Yeah, acha nifike and then I shoot that video. See you. Good morning, guys. It's on a Friday, the 14th. Happy Valentine's, guys. I hope you're having an amazing day. Yeah, it's like 8 a.m. I'm going to buy breakfast. Nenda kupai mandazi. Yeah, and yesterday I was planning on shooting a video. Okay, I did shoot the video, but it backfired, so I have to do it again today because I have to post a video for this week, guys. Consistency, yeah. I'm becoming the woman I want to be. She's consistent, you know? Yeah. So, yeah, let's go buy mandazi. But then, guys, what are your plans for today? Like, for this Valentine's? As for me, I don't know. I just think I'll shoot that video, edit it, and clear my gallery. Yeah, and self-love myself, you know. I can understand you're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. I came back, I had my breakfast, then I've showered and I've dressed up. I'm ready to shoot a video for Here Comes Holy episode 2. And I'm excited about that. So you'll see that video before this, I guess, because I wanna shoot it and then I'll edit it. Then I post it tomorrow, of which tomorrow will be on the 15th of February. Today is on the 14th. Yeah, guys, so if you're watching this and you've not watched that video, I'll link it here. Yeah. And guys, I saw on my analytics that most of you who watch my videos have not subscribed to my YouTube channel. Just subscribe, guys. Support your girl, you know. And please, guys, like my videos because it helps other people find my channel. Yeah. So let's get into shooting the video. Guys, so this is what I've cooked for lunch. Yeah, just ugali, mboga and meat. Yeah. This is my Valentine's. Good morning, guys. It's 5:30 a.m. I'm from doing my morning run. Yeah, this is me. I want to do some roller. Like, I'll do 10 of those. Because I know I want to be able to do more than that. Because the last time I worked out was 2 months ago. I think in December or in November. Yeah. Yeah, so Yeah, and I have like a pimple here. Okay, it's so painful. What? It's so painful. Yeah, so let me do my roller workouts and then I'll catch you guys later. I lift my eyes to the sky like it's 4th of July. So I'm good, even live my life for the other night. I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good, I'm good. Hi guys, good morning. Today is on a Saturday morning. We are going to Eastleigh with my sister. We are going to buy clothes for my mom, and we are meeting my sister in town, my big sister, so that you can go together. Yeah, so yeah, that's the plan for today. And guys, I feel like nime overdo because I'm wearing this coat here na vile jua imewaka. Hey. But the outfit is giving. Yeah, that's the baseline. Yeah, so let's get going. I'm here praying that the sun isiwake sana because nime overdo aki. Alafu nimevaa this black jumpsuit. Hey, jamani. My sisters were out here matching outfits. It's not even fair. I'm not happy about it. Here, we were already in Eastleigh looking for outfits, specifically classy dresses, because my mom has a very exquisite taste. Love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars dancing. It's true. It's true. I'm scared of the changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Lost this in my life for him. Yeah. Lost this in my life for him. Yeah. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? I'm nothing like you. Opposite of holiness was what I was, but until you see my soul and couldn't see why. Held my hand high, cause you see I had to you see me. I won't wanna stop cause you keep me. And now I'm better and better. No longer what I used to be better. You're a perfect man. Got the whole world in your hands, but you still reaching out for me. Ooh, wow, why you love me too? Hi guys, it's after church. I think it's around 3 p.m. I'm just chilling in church and the service was great. One thing that really stood out for me today was that I got distracted on the last clip, but what I wanted to say is that our bishop mentioned that our greatest enemy is not the devil, but it's our flesh. And that's why Paul tells us in Romans 12 verse 1, therefore I urge you, brothers and sisters, in view of God's mercy, to offer your bodies as a living sacrifice, holy and pleasing to God. This is your true and proper worship. So we need to put our bodies under subjection. To the one I've chosen. Hi guys, ignore the noises outside. Yeah, today is on a Monday morning. I have errands I'm running today. And yeah, nimeambia I'm looking so chic. Nitaonyesha my outfit in a bit. So let me get going.
My soul source, love has made me perfect. I'm a picture of the stars dancing. It's true. It's true. I'm steadily changing. It's making me better. I'm turning a new thing. It's making me stronger. Yeah, yeah. Fastest in my life for him. Yeah. Fastest in my life for him. Yeah.
Guys, ignore how I'm looking at the moment. I undid my hair a couple of days ago and yeah, this is how I'm looking at the moment. But I've been wearing wigs. I don't walk out like this, you know. Yeah, but I'll fix my hair soon. Might as well wear wigs. I don't know. Yeah, but I wanted to unbox with you this cute package that I received from my friend. Was it yesterday or 2 days ago? Yeah, and I've not even checked. Okay, yeah, as you can see, it's sealed. Okay, this is the first time I'll be opening this package. Yeah, so yeah, it's a bag. Yeah, and I'm really excited, you know. I just love friends who gift you out of nowhere without you telling them to gift you, you know. Yeah, that's my type of vibe, you know. Yeah, so let's unbox this bag. Yeah, this is it. And by the way, I picked it yesterday. I'm sure you've seen that clip, which is before this one. Ilitumwa on a parcel, so that's why imefungwa hivi. I really hope it's a cute bag. I really hope it's a cute bag. Here comes the bag. Oh. This is how it's looking. This is my favorite color. It's a cute bag, by the way. It's really cute bag. This is how it's looking on the inside. Yeah, I like it. It's a cute bag. This is how it will be looking. Ignore my night garments. Yeah. I love it. Thank you, friend. In case you're watching this video. Thank you. Yeah. And I love the color. Yeah, I love it. See you guys when I have something to share. For now, bye bye. I don't know if I should close off this video here. I don't know. Okay, I'll think about it. But in case I do, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. See you in my next one. Bye bye.